Here we have shape of receiving radio waves. Radio waves have a long range depending on the power of remote transmission. The range of single reception is determined by the power of the remote control transmission. Usually the range is from 50 meters open and direct to 100 meters. There are powerful remotes that reach 1 kilometer and there are 3 kilometer remotes, but here it is open and direct. There are many radio receiver chips. To know what the pins, you must review the datasheet. I will show you what I mean. I have this type, another type that is smaller in size. There are vertical and spiral antennas. The vertical antenna on is better in terms of range, have a long range, and the spiral on is better in of noise, but you should place it away from electrical noise such as large motors. I favorite the vertical antenna. You must choose a remote and chip with the same frequency. Choose the most common, which is 433. Here datasheet of pins. Here the most important thing here is how to program the chip. I will put the link of datasheet in the bio. Here I have remote, it can learning and have code. This remote is fixed code, have a code. You can buy a remote control with a pre-programmed code from the factory, or buy it without a code and program it by copying another code from another remote or via Arduino. I have this remote have no code. The lead is flashing once and it's no flashing. It is mean the remote not have any code. I will show you how to reset the remote. According to the datasheet, presses the learning button once and then presses any button on the remote to program and learn the code. As you see, the program is successful. There is that output that when connected to a lead works on any click. To set the shape mode between parliament and mode relay, first reset the shape, then follow the datasheet by clicking the learning button. Now we have reset is done. Now we will turn to the datasheets and look the mode we want. I will press it 4 times and I click any button from the remote. The program now is successful. The shape setting varies from one shape to another. You need always to check the datasheet to set the right mode you want. Now I will show you what it is the latch mode is mean. It's mean if you pressing a button will turn on the selected output, but pressing another button will turn off all outputs and turn on the output you pressed previously. Now I will teach you how to copy the code from a remote that has a code to another remote. Just press and hold the 2 buttons you want to copy for 3 seconds. You can copy the button's code in any way you like. The shapes it is turned off. I don't supply it in power because it is not work. To install the battery, you may scratch the plastic while trying to open the cover. You must buy special tool to change the battery. There are remote control that works in 3 or 6 or 9 or 12 volt. We have many types. To reset the remote, you must press the first and second button together, then press the second button 3 times. Finally, in the end, I have the this relay module that I made in my home. I made in CNC PCB. It is very nice and cool. I made it because the Arduino module relay have the logic low, it is on.